Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel WebToTech. In today's video, we'll be seeing how you can log into your Nike account on your PC. So let's get right into it. The first thing that you want to do is open any type of browser. Here I am using Chrome browser. After opening your browser, go to the search bar and type www.nike.com and then press enter. Then we are on the official page of Nike. Here you can select your location, but I prefer not to select my location, so I'm just going to cross this. And now we are officially on the page of Nike. To log in, click on the sign in button that you see right here. And now here, type your email address. After typing your email address, click on continue. And now type your password. After typing your password, click on the sign in button. Nike will again ask for your location, but still I don't prefer to give it, so I'm just going to click in. And there you go. Now you have been successfully logged into your Nike account. As you can see here, this is my profile. And this is exactly how you can log into your Nike account on your PC. Thank you so much guys for watching. If you like this video, please do not forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next.